Hello, my name is Sabrina Bocek, and I'm here to tell you why we need more national marine sanctuaries in the United States of America. We need more marine protected areas and sanctuaries to help provide critical habitat and protection, especially from derelict fishing gear and overfishing practices. We can also use these uh, spaces to track successfully rescued whales to help educate on conservation. Welcome to Depot Bay, Oregon's newest marine sanctuary. Leading research in Pacific gray whale unusual mortality events, providing safe havens for large aquatic mammal rehabilitation, and using satellite tracking data to inform shipping lanes of where they should travel and where whales are located. If we look at the gray whale migration, we can see why it's so important to conserve their migratory pathways. They start all the way up in the Chukchi Sea in Alaska, where researchers say that they are still able to get enough food for their long migratory paths. NOAA has researchers, volunteers that count and survey gray whales along their migratory paths. This one is located in central California. And here we see where a gray whale has stranded and has died. Gray whale strandings as of April 18th, 2023. We can see by state how many have occurred in each year, with the most being in 2019 and Alaska leading with the most mortalities, following by California. And then if we go by country, Mexico and the United States have the most gray whale mortalities. And for a total of the 4-year period, it got to 640, which isn't able to be seen on the screen. Here is a map of all the fatalities of the gray whales along the west coast of the North American continent. So we can see how this unusual mortality event has been such a huge thing between 2019 and 2023, and it has also occurred a decade previously. We're just worried, is the population of gray whale going to be able to come back after such an unusual mortality event? NOAA has special satellite tags that we will be using at our sanctuary. The technology SeaTag is a solar-powered marine technology that offers low-cost, reusable, and modular tags for tracking sea mammals in both salt and freshwater environments. The satellite-based tagging technology uses battery-augmented solar power and is built to withstand harsh environments. Desert Star's full suite of available SeaTag products are equipped with an accelerometer, which measures the activity of the animal, light sensors, allows for longitudinal locating via amount of daylight, magnetic sensors, allows for latitudinal locating, and temperate sensors along with depth sensors. Sanctuaries are in desperate need of funding. $55 million is the current level of annual funding received by the U.S. sanctuary system. Biden proposed that the level of funding should increase to $84 million. The minimum level of annual funding for existing sanctuary systems to be able to perform is actually $90 million. And the minimum level of annual funding for the sanctuary system to be able to perform with its nominated sanctuaries is almost 3 times what we are currently being funded. So we need to reach a level of 127 million of allocated resources so that we can continue these research projects to save populations such as the gray whale. Thank you.